Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome to another video. In this video I'm unboxing back to school designer tote bag. This is the gallery tote bag in signature canvas. Color is gold, hockey and black. The height of this bag is 9.75 inch, the width is 6 inch and the length is 14.5 inch. Signature coated canvas, smooth leather and fabric lining. This bag features outside zip pocket, inside zip pocket and phone pocket. This bag is multifunctional. It's awesome for work, for back to school. This back pocket is awesome for placing your phone there or your keys. Yeah, it's pretty deep. I love this bag. This is going to be my everyday bag. This bag is awesome for different occasions, night out, workout, traveling. It's functional, versatile. I love this bag. I highly recommend this. It is high quality. Yeah, so actually this is my first time getting this bag from Coach Outlet. Yeah, I do have Coach bags, but I don't have tote. I have from different brands, but this is my first time having from Coach. Here is the main compartment. It's pretty deep. There is two back pockets, inside back pockets, and there's another big pocket with the zipper closure. I'm going to use this bag for every day. This is going to be awesome for me. I can put all my essentials. Gold tone hardware with this top zip closure. Here you guys can see closely all the details. I really like this bag. I am excited to use this bag, and yeah, if you guys like, let me know in the comments. I can show you guys in another video what I can fit in this bag. The original price for this bag in US dollars, it was $378, and in Canadian dollars $360, but I got it in a really great price, 60% off plus additional 15% off back to school offers that they had. So I just got lucky and I got this in a really great price, super affordable. It's going to be my second designer tote. I do have a Michael Kors tote, but yeah, that's oversized, but this is going to be great size for everyday use. And yeah, I'm excited for this bag. I really hope you guys like and enjoy watching this designer bag unboxing.